Hey guys, welcome to the second lesson of this series. We hope you are excited. In today's lesson, we will learn a simple combination through which it will help to get grip on the keys and the tal. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will be notified when we upload a new video. Let's get started. Let's set the pitch, tal and tempo first. Now let's look at the notation for the combination which we are going to learn today to play the harmonium with it. You can write down the notation in your notebook or diary too. The writing style for the combination in different layers are different. Kindly focus onto it. At first, Vilambit lay, ascending order and descending order. Second, Madhya lay, ascending order and descending order. Third, Dhrut lay, ascending order and descending order. Now let's see how does it sound when we play it in harmonium. At first, Vilambit lay. Second, Madhya lay. Third, Dhrut lay. Well, that ends with today's second lesson. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. We hope you have learned many things today, and don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video with the third lesson of Harmonium. To be notified when we upload the next video, go hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.